Now with these videos, with these finished these videos and with test series, can I able to get AR1, brother, if I follow regularly, revise regularly?
Listen, considering you are in the second year, 7 to 8 hours sincerely and that too daily is more than enough for any of the exam, be it any exam.
Now with these videos, with these finished these videos and with test series, can I able to get AR1, brother, if I follow regularly, revise regularly?
Listen, see, let's be very practical and pragmatic about what we are thinking. It is it is very much possible for anyone to get AR1. There is no doubt about that. But AR1 doesn't mean that getting that first rank. It means that you will be able to do really great in your gate preparation. So don't see, if you are aiming for first rank, that's really good. But in that proportion, you need to put in your efforts. You have to be really hell. You have to leave everything. You need to understand your logics very sound, and your practice should be at the next level, because just by watching anyone's video, no one is going to clear gate, or no one is going to get such a great rank until unless he or she may not be able to feel all those concepts or just analyze everything in a fraction of seconds. They can't get such a great rank. So such a great rank is only possible if you are putting every blood and sweat of yours into your preparation, and this is very much possible. See, if you have no other idea, you have this particular idea, then make this idea your life. You should think of it and dream of it at every moment of your time. Don't just prepare this for the sake of preparation of a gate exam. Uh, you may be having other friends who would be preparing for gate and they are not that much passionate about your gate exam. Then in that case, I would say try to be with those people or those friends who are even more passionate or like mad about the preparation, because they will lift you up. They will force you to prepare even fanatically. So this is very much possible for anyone. Even if anyone is not having any of the resources, still with the help of books or other resources, they can definitely get really good rank. But that essentially matter what essentially matters is that the discipline and the passion, and these two things should not be like you should not be burned out, because initially everyone would be having such a great motivation. Because if you would be thinking yourself in second year, right now you're in second year, what your thought process would be after 2 years, that is completely different. You may not think that you may not realize that how drastically I have changed myself. So that is completely up to you, and keeping this motivation for such a long period of time is, I think this is a bit difficult, but it is completely up to every individual, because human or any individual can have can get anything whatever they want, provided that they are very disciplined, because your discipline should be at the level of armed forces.
Actually, during my college days, I used to wake up at 4 a.m. and then 7:30 I would be reading, and then evening also I would be reading for Gate, brother. But nowadays, what happened is I can't concentrate those many hours a day. Previously, I used to have some classwork. It would be a break for me, but nowadays I can't cope up with that. Now I was hardly putting 7 hours. Is that enough for me, brother? 7 to 8 hours.
Considering you are in the second year, 7 to 8 hours sincerely and that too daily is more than enough for any of the exam, be it any exam. Because only like for those guys who usually claim that 16 or 18 hours or 12 or 15 hours preparation time, that is only possible when your exam is very much nearer to be appeared, like 2 months back or 3 months back. You If you are sincerely putting 7 to 8 hours daily, then you will automatically, this is the nature. If you would be getting really good rank in your test series, or if you would be desperate about your marks, then you will automatically switch to a longer period of time. But 7 to 8 hours right now is really very good. Just don't burn out this is my suggestion, because you may feel right now very motivated, you can appear for a lot of, like, you can complete entire syllabus, but this is very factually very correct, and this is what I feel is that even if you would be asking some of the doubts from to Ravin sir right now, he may not clear those questions, because he had taught all those subjects in the year of 2014 or 2015 or 2016. So he may not remember all those things which he taught 5 to 6 years back, because everything requires practice and revision. If anyone is not revising anything, you may not get get good marks or good rank right now, because you might have got first rank, or I would say 95% in your 10th exam or 12th board, but if I would ask those questions or those subjects right now, you may not recollect them, because you did not like revise all those things periodically. So this happens with everyone.
Okay, brother. And then, have you written down your notes, brother? If possible, can you share PDF with me? It will be referable for me.
See, I have written down whole entire, like, all subjects very clearly and very properly. But the problem is that, like, see, first of all, I always encourage everyone to prepare their very own notes. That is very important. Yes, for reference, I can definitely share that like how to like jot down few of the points, or how to write or how to remember few of the things whenever we are revising our notes. So it should be in such a way that I'm checking someone else's answer book. In this way, we need to revise our like notes. So that is everyone. Like, I would recommend everyone to prepare their very own notes. Don't rely on anyone else's notes.
Actually, I was also preparing my own notes, brother. It was nearly 2000 pages just now I finished. And what I was asking is, if it is there, it will be good enough for me.
Okay, fine. It you may feel that it would be really good for you, but the problem is that it will increase, I can say, misconception, or it may arise other conflicts as well. Like, you may feel that okay, this one is my notes is even better than him, or you may feel that okay, this notes is his particular topics notes is really great, because it is completely every individual's extent of understanding, how well he is understanding a particular concept. Sometimes I usually write a particular concept in 2 to 3 pages, and sometimes in only single page. So that depends on every individual. And secondly, sharing my notes is like, I'll have to scan such a large notes, so it will take time. Other than that, like, for few parts I have scanned, that I can definitely share, but others eventually, like, if someone is ready to scan, I'll find someone who is ready to scan all my notes, then in that case I'll definitely do that as well.
Okay, brother. I thought that you might have already scanned your PDF and it is in your mobile. I thought in such a way, brother.
No, because see, no one because I never felt that anyone should share their should refer someone else's notes just to see only few of the points, like how he writes or how he.
For that reason, I was asking you, brother.
Okay, fine. Like, I'm having few of the notes which I had scanned earlier, so I'll be sharing that part maybe. But sharing entire notes, that will take time for me, because I haven't scanned everything.
If possible, share it. It is not a compulsory thing. If possible, do it. If not, leave it. Nothing will happen.
Okay, fine.
What I want is video number, video title, and what points you have jotted down.
Okay, fine.
That too from RBR I need.
Okay. I'm having essentially I'll think about this one if someone is ready to scan, because this is really
very very large thing we need to scan, brother. Why
and that to precision as well.
Okay, brother, and if possible, can you guide me throughout my preparation, brother? What I want to say is, after a few days, like 10 days, I would call you and I will tell what the things I have done in these 2 weeks, and then if you will make me anything wrong that I did, can you please tell me in such a way? Can you mentor me, brother?
Okay, fine. No doubt about this on that particular thing, but probably, like, essentially, if I'm having free time, because we can't commit anything very passionately that okay, I'll be there, because of the limitations of if I would be getting into like any of the colleges. So over there may be some like a timeline deadline, but I can assure you that like whenever you would be calling, probably within 24 hours or 48 hours, I'll be responding. Not immediately maybe, because just like right now you called me, and we can discuss right now, but
Yes, brother.
that
This
maybe
kind of
not the case
stuff is
always.
enough for me.
Okay, fine, no problem. Or
Uh, wha-
otherwise we can communicate over WhatsApp or other resources.
yes, brother. I have WhatsApp on this number, brother. We can communicate on this.
Yeah, no problem.
And then, is there any more things that you want to tell to me? All the questions that I had written are I have asked them. Is there anything to tell to me?
I think first thing is, like, I would say overall in general, you need to be very much consistent throughout. Don't switch your mind. Don't be in dilemma that okay, I'll be preparing for this one as well or this one as well. You may feel at some point of time in your entire preparation journey that okay, whether I'm like whether I'm doing good or bad, or is it like only this particular exam, if I would fail in this particular exam, suppose if I'm not able to get a great rank in this exam, then how come I'm not able to see my future? It is nothing like this. All over again, I would say that whenever you feel any situation like this, then just pan out your entire life cycle or your career of 50 to 60 years and try to see this particular thing. This would be nothing but a blip, normal thing, which would eventually get into betterment. You may feel adversity in your life. It would be as good as like if you are getting some adverse situation in your life, just be very much I can say thankful to the one who is giving this adversity, because this not only this your like gate preparation will make you a better person or better programmer or any individual, but the real life adversities, they are going to make a good person or make a even better person. So don't feel that only this particular exam is going to decide your career or future, because getting into extra pressure is going to lead you very bad rank. And it had happened with many of the people, like they took a lot of pressure and eventually on the day of exam they just completely devastated. You may feel that while solving the paper, you may feel that okay, initial 5 to 10 questions are not solvable to me. So it is very much normal, because this paper is not of only 5 to 10 questions, it is having consisting of 65 questions. So essentially you have to prepare your strategy. Other than that, I would say just be consistent and don't get like, and don't feel yourself or don't put an extra pressure on yourself. Okay, you are preparing for this only, you can't do anything else, you can't get involved into any with anyone, or you can't discuss anything with anyone. It's not like that. Just be very normal, just don't put an extra pressure over there, and just don't overdo anything, because overdoing may exhaust you, because this is a very long process. It is having 2.5 year, around 2.5 year or 2 year, and 2 year is very long time period. And one other advice I want to give, like to any of the GATE aspirant, is that please do not like get involved into social media stuff a lot.
Okay.
So like sometimes I have like observed a lot of people, they get into lot of political like things, like they usually post a lot of content, their viewpoints.
I don't have any habit of posting anything in Facebook, or I do not have anything else to do. Just I use it to scroll some memes, and then again I get back into those videos, brother.
Okay, fine, no problem. So just don't get into like in a habit that which is wasting a lot of your time, because that is very much essential. Because in my case as well, I completely gave up entire whole social media handles for around 3 or 4 months before the exam, and it was really helpful for me.